Hey guys, got home today and found this huge box on my porch, and you know what? I know exactly what it is. It's something I've been needing for a long time. Finally decided to order myself a really nice office chair, because sitting down editing these videos that I put out on YouTube, you know, sitting in little rinky-dink chairs just ain't cutting it no more. So I decided to go ahead and splurge and buy me a nice office chair. What this is right here is the Amazon.com Amazon Basics Big and Tall Executive Office Chair. So without further ado, let me bust right into this box. Pull out my Leatherman crater here and cut all this tape away. Open it up. Okay, get the parts out. Got an armrest here. I'm going to show you how to put this together. Let's go ahead and get the pieces out. Got an armrest. This right here is your whole power system here. All right. Okay, I'll get all these things unpackaged, and get ready to put it together. Okay, the first thing we're going to do here is put the wheels in. So we'll just turn this over, and the wheels just pop right in. They've got a little keeper ring in there. You just put them in and push down in there. Alright, wheels in, pulls around good. Okay, the next thing we're going to do here is just put in the hydraulics lift cylinder, and it's just simply friction based. You drop it right in, the little green button goes to the top, the black goes down, and it just slides right in. There's no screws or anything to that. I'm going to go ahead and place the seat plate towards the front, line it up with the 4 holes here in the bottom of the seat. We're going to insert them into these holes. They already have a little bit of blue Loctite on them, so they will resist coming out. And using the Allen wrench that they included in the kit to tighten them up, giving them a good, nice, snug turn. Okay, now we're going to apply the sill plate. You see the chair hydraulic release arm is right here, so we're just going to put that right there, and we're going to use the remaining 4 short bolts to go in those holes. Now, it's not necessary to put a lot of pressure on these bolts, not like the seat plate bolt, because this really isn't supporting anything. It's just basically a beauty cover. It's not doing anything but just making it look good. So, and it's made out of plastic, so you don't want to tighten it up too much. Hello. Okay, now it's time to put on the arms. For this process, we're just going to turn. It's important to get the right arm. This is the front. Okay, there's two holes. The armrests go back here. You can see this hole here, and there's another hole right back here. We're going to put the armrest and line the armrest up with these holes. Go ahead and start the bolts a little by hand. It's important not to force things. Make sure that you're lined up. The bolt should twist 2 or 3 times easily if it's lined up properly. Okay, now it's time to put the back on. Now, if you want to, you can put the back on once you've got the screws on the armrest in there. You can put the back on after that before you tighten them up, and that might be a little easier. What you're going to do here, you can put it on afterwards. So what you're going to do is, there's a little metal bracket that sticks out right here. We're going to put that one on this side first. Put the chair in here, and then I'm just going to line that up with that hole, and it's going to go in, and that's going to allow it to move over here. Then on this side right here, just going to kind of give a little tug to the arm, and it'll pop right in. Okay, using one long bolt back here and one short bolt in the side arm. For time's sake, I've switched to my power drill, and I've already put the bolt in back here. Had a little difficulty with this bolt back here, just not lining up real well. Flip the chair over. Now you can actually put the chair on the roller at this point in time if you want to. For the sake of doing the video, it was a little easier for me to leave it off the chair, off of the base. So you might have just a little bit of difficulty and have to push this screw up a little bit to get it lined up, but it will go in. Okay. Don't worry about a little bit of scratching or anything inside these holes, because you have these nice little caps that go in here to cover those things up. All your little holes that make it pretty. Alright, the chair is fully assembled. Now it is time to put it on the base. Bring the base over. This is going to be a lot of fun because you turn it around this way. Just going to insert it in that hole right there. Line it up, set it down. And there you have it. Executive chair fit for a king. And that's how easy it is to put it together. Not hard at all. I'm going to put a lot of miles on this. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment.